This is for iPad mini 4. We will use this big film laminating machine to attach OCA film on the glass with touch for iPad. The OCA film we use it is Mitsubishi model. So the first step you will need to do alignment for the glass with touch and OCA film. Let the OCA film attach to the top of the film laminating machine and peel off the protector film of the OCA. This is the protector for the touch. And then press down. Click start. Okay, it is very nicely. But better to put it in a bubble remover machine to do bubble removal. So this is all what we done here for iPad mini 4. And see, this is for debubble already for iPad L2. iPad L2. It finished debubble already. So you can see the result is perfect. There is no any bubbles. And each time you can put several pieces into this big bubble remover machine.